welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be a bedroom revamp, a bedroom makeover, how to make your bedroom cozy. As you guys can see, this is the after, and oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so happy with the outcome of this bedroom makeover. So definitely stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started.
Here's a new beginning, I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. I can hear my own heart breaking.
You guys, so we are starting from the start, if that is a good English, guys. As you guys can see, we are starting all the way to the before. And you guys, this master bedroom used to be basically my kind of storage or dumping room. Whatever, like whenever I receive a package, or it literally was just turned into a storage room, right, for the past 1 year or so. And of course, I literally just kept the master bedroom for the last, because you guys, I mean, if you follow this channel, you know that we recently, bought our dream home, which was, is it not crazy to say that, like, we bought our home 2 years ago, because we bought it 2024. This is already 2026, guys. Is that not crazy? But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, we started from, of course, moving things out, and also our contractor came in and he set up the bed, and like you guys, like, this bed is also one of the reasons, like, I was just so, like, I couldn't wait to get to this bedroom to kind of remodel it and revamp it, because that bed was just like chef's kiss, guys. And the bed is from a brand called the Luxury Bed Company. And let me tell you, if you're into, like, if you're in the market for a very nice, beautiful, quality, luxurious bed, definitely check out the Luxury Bed Company. Of course, I'm going to leave their link in my description box. I actually also have a code so you can save when you go ahead and order. I mean, if you don't want a floor to ceiling bed, they have any and every length and every, like, bed you can think of. So definitely try and check them out. So as you guys can see, what we did was to go ahead and put up the bed. Our contractor did that, and also the mirrors. You guys saw the mirrors. He went ahead and hung up the mirror. The mirrors are from Z Gallery. Of course, everything is going to be linked in my description box. If there's anything you see in this video you're interested in, definitely check out my description box, because I'm going to link everything there. But you guys, when it came to this room, I wanted to add kind of a pop of gray in the room, because if you guys know me well, you know I absolutely am in love with cream. I'm in love with white, anything white, but I wanted to add touches of gray in it. So you guys saw, like, the TV area has kind of a gray. We did some design, on the TV wall with gold and gray. But anyways, you guys, I'm going ahead to make up the bed, since the contractor already fixed the bed and also mounted those gorgeous mirrors. Like, that wall right there was just so empty. I wasn't sure what I was going to do to that wall. So when I came up with the idea of these 3 mirrors, I wasn't sure how it was going to look. But when the contractor put those up, oh my goodness, I was just so in love. I love how, those 3 mirrors transformed that particular wall, because that wall was huge. And because we already had a design by the TV, I didn't want to do any, like, maybe paneling or anything like that. I didn't want to do that to this particular wall. So those 3 mirrors really brought out the beauty of that wall. So as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to lay the bed, and I wanted a very nice kind of fluffy, cozy comforter or duvet. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I put the first duvet insert, and I'm going ahead to kind of double my duvet. As you guys can see, this is a very simple trick. If you want your duvet to have that very nice, like fluffy, cozy look, definitely go ahead and double your duvet insert. So once I did that, I'm going ahead to tie it up, and then I'm going to just kind of reverse it. This is a very easy way I love to put my duvet, as you guys can see. So I laid it at from the back, and then I put the duvet inserts, and now I'm rolling it over, and I'm literally just gonna turn it like in. Look, can you guys see what I just did? So I just like flipped it over, so that way I'm able to put the insert inside the duvet without it being too much of a hassle. This is like a very simple way I love to put my inserts into my duvet. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and lay the bed, and then we proceed to the next thing. As you guys can see, this is like from a start to finish makeover. So if you're looking to maybe remodel your bedroom, revamp your bedroom, I hope this is an inspiration. Like, this is just going to give you ideas on probably how to go about it. You put your bed, you put your nightstand, your lamp, whatever it is you want, guys, maybe your flowers, whatever it is. So I hope this video is, it's an inspiration.
But I like the view. It makes me think of new beginnings. Here's to new beginnings. I can't sleep alone. 'Cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long. Wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city.
This year, guys, we're normalizing investing in our homes as much as we invest in our looks and images. Like, your home is your sanctuary, guys. I feel like we spend the main important moments in our homes, and we should be able to invest in it. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I added my nightstand, and I added our lamp, and over here I absolutely love this credenza, or should I say console table from Lucas. That's the brand, and you guys, this is so cute, and it ties so well with the design or with the theme I'm going for our bedroom. I love the shape of it. I love the fact that it's also very spacious inside, and it's a soft close. You know how sometimes when you close a credenza or a console table, it makes noise. This one, it's just beautiful. It's perfect. I love all the gold details on it, and of course, like I told you guys, everything will be linked in my description box. I just love the fact that this console table, or should I say credenza, it fits perfectly on this side of the wall, guys, because as you guys can see, we added the mirrors on the other side of the wall, and I was thinking, what should I do on this wall? And this idea just came to my head, and I was so happy with the way it turned out. So basically, I added the credenza, and then this frame is just like the perfect touch to the bedroom. So I added this frame, and also there is kind of a light. I decided to add some lights above the frame, and then over here I'm gonna go ahead and add my mirror. I say mirror. I'm going to add my flowers and also the flower vase, and right under the flower, guys, I just decided to add these decorative books and also a candle. And I didn't want to do too much to this credenza because the credenza itself is a beauty. Like, we don't want to take away from the credenza. Look how that credenza looks on that part of the bedroom. And of course, guys, because of the fact that this bedroom is huge, like this master bedroom is huge, guys, I also thought that like right by the foot of the bed was just too empty. Even after I added these two swivel chairs, it still needed something. Like, there was just a lot of space, in the bedroom. Even though I didn't want the bedroom to be crowded, but of course you need it to kind of look cozy and wholesome. So I was so happy when I added these two swivel chairs, and they fit perfectly, perfectly well on that area right there. And we still had a lot of leg space. I think I'm gonna need you guys help. Let me know if you think that like over there, I'm not sure if you guys can see below the TV there. I'm thinking maybe I should add maybe a fireplace. I'm not sure, but let me know what you guys think. Once you look where I'm standing, you should be able to see like where we have the panel design and also the TV right above the TV. I was thinking maybe we should add a fireplace there, but let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And this right here is like the lounge area, and for the lounge area I decided to add this very gorgeous, like beautiful couch. Look at this. This is like where I relax to edit my videos, or like if I just want to lounge around, that is exactly where we relax. Or if we want to play, you know, if we want to play some games, as you guys can see, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and put in some chase board. But you guys, like this console table, it just was the perfect, I said console table, the coffee table was just the perfect coffee table that would go in there, because like as you guys can see, we needed a little bit of space, and the coffee table isn't too big, it's not too big, it's not too small, so it was just the perfect thing to put in the middle, like between my vanity, because I also decided to add my vanity in the bedroom, and also we have the lounge couch. So right in the middle I decided to add these the coffee table, and they just look so good together. And like I told you guys, we're working with gold, gray and cream, basically like white cream for this bedroom, and I just love how everything came out so perfectly. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit that like button below, you know. And yep, you guys, I just went ahead and added the mirror behind the couch, and also a flower, a plant, and that is basically it, my loves. This is exactly how the bedroom came out. It looks so good. Like you guys can see, we still have a lot of like leg space, I mean a huge leg space in between every furniture. But yeah, I love how everything came together so nicely, and I hope you guys draw some inspiration. Like I said, if you're thinking of, that is exactly where I was talking about. Let me know if you guys think we should put fireplace right under the TV there. But yeah, guys, if you're thinking of maybe remodeling or revamping your bedroom, I hope this video is kind of an inspiration to you. And yeah, guys, if there's anything you see in this video you like, definitely check my description box. Everything will be linked there. Or an easy way is to go ahead and check my LTK page under at Omabelletv. That is where like you will see anything like my home, whatever you guys have seen me share, they are all first linked on my LTK page. So definitely try and check that out. And till my next video, I will see you all very, 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 very soon. Let me know what you think about this makeover, and let me know if you're inspired. Until my next one, I love you guys. Bye.
Off in the city, sounds for a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Ooh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you? You said she was just a friend.